Village Benifero, Kinyum Tip Namta Kikuar Light Cam, the Light Cam Komba Shispa Arpo Telier, Kipus Jong Medical Health Officer and Specialist under the Health and Family Welfare Department on contractual basis as per detail given below. The Jongka Medical Health Officer, dan Nyopo Teli Kipus, Akatulop Kolong Nyopo Jar, Dupra Pojar based on the experience, the Kajilmit Kande Arpsan Adun Rupos Nem. Educational qualification gandai MBBS or equivalent from recognized medical institution of India and abroad. Duly registered with any state medical council NMC. Applicant should have completed compulsory rotatory internship. Kabar kini specialist dan sanpau tali post yang specialist tagilong yang ka ops and gynecology khatsan radiology san anesthesiology shipau pediatrician shipau General Medicine San, General Surgery San. Atulok kulong silak hadu silak san pojar as per year of experience. Kaneru ke age limit kandai arpsan hadu ndrupho. Qualification long MD, lene MS, lene DGO, DCH, DMRD, DA. Ka place of posting kandai based in healthcare facility across the state of Meghalaya. A contract, duration of contract kandai 1 year. The contract may be renewed on mutually agreed terms and conditions based on the performance. General information online registration will be open on 24th August 2023 forenoon and closed by 25 August 2023 midnight. So the link will be on the website www.meghealth.gov.in. So kindly visit the website meghealth.gov.in. The walk-in interview will be held from 30 August 2023 and 1st September 2023 in the office of the Director of Health Service, MI, 3rd floor, Red Hill Road, Layumkhara, Shillong 793003, Meghalaya. Eligible candidate will be called for the walk interview as per the recommendation of the screening committee. Applicant attending the interview are required to present all relevant certificate. Okay, this all you don't need. Selected candidate will be required to sign a contract prior to agreement. Don't come. Okay. Tang itu hi. Tekan mau ini important dates. Kan arpu August kesedang ka open registration ka close arpsan August. Then ka walk interview kan 30 August and 1st September. Timing is 10:30 to 4:30. Then the declaration of the result will be on 5th September 2023. Thank you. Jump tip. Kulishuan.